Hi everyone. Have you heard the American song Sweet Violets? My grandmother used to sing it to me. The poem I'm going to do with you today is something like that. It is a short poem in which the expected rhyme of each couplet is replaced with an unexpected word, and that word flows into the next couplet. So, what I'm going to do is to start the poem and then make a pause each time I want you to fill in a word. Fill in a word that you think fits the rhyme and that particular couplet best. Then I will tell you what the actual word is, and you will see how you probably never guessed it. So we can have a lot of fun while you improve your English. Agreed? Let's start. Two dogs walked down the street, and there they chanced to see the most beautiful cat who was not always so shy when she saw her friends there. She usually settled her lovely long tail and sat right on top of a wall, never afraid she might meet a tiger, a lion, or a bear, because she knew it wasn't possible, for she lived in a city so big and so tall. And I'll end here, for I think I've already said it all. I hope you got at least the right word for the last option. Did you? Or did you try and pick a word that didn't make sense just because the rest of the poem cheated you? Anyway, I'm sure you agree that it was an interesting exercise. Do listen to the song Sweet Violets and see if you can guess the right words there. Remember that life has unexpected twists and turns, and we need to be prepared for anything that comes our way. Until we meet again, take care and bye.